Hi, it's Nicolette from HowDoesShe. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Dermalux Flex MD from Current Body. This is a professional grade device used in high-end salons, and it's now available for home use. The box is pretty significant and the setup is very easy. It comes with easy to read instructions that will help you set it up in no time. The Dermalux Flex MD has 360 LED lights, 120 blue, 120 red, and 120 near infrared. Okay, setting up your device is easy. You simply slide these little sides into the notch right there. Push it into place. Hook all your cords. Get your glasses ready, and you're ready to go. Your device will need to be plugged into a power source while it works. So I like to keep mine right by my bed. It's the most comfortable place to lay down and spend 30 minutes. Now, the Dermalux Flex MD has, like I said, 3 different kind of lights: blue, red, and near infrared. This means that your device has 7 different options for settings, depending on what results you want to see. And you can click on the link in the description to see more about how the different settings can work. But for 6 weeks, I used the red and the near infrared, NIR, to do a serious anti-aging regimen. This is a high-end treatment that some salons can charge up to $500 for. So really, within 5 treatments, this device pays for itself and you can use it for a lifetime. You can share it with your family and your friends so that it really becomes a great investment to make in yourself and in your skin. Okay, so using this device is very easy. I use it 5 times a week. Each treatment time is 30 minutes. First, you want to make sure you have a clean face. So wash your face. Make sure it's clear of all makeup, all debris. Next, you'll want to apply your favorite serum. This just helps the lights to penetrate and offer your skin more benefits. You'll want to make sure you use the safety glasses that are provided in your Dermalux Flex MD pack. This will protect your eyes. Next, you'll want to pick which setting you would like to use. Today, I'm going to use the blue and the red setting. So turn it on. It will activate, and then you'll see a 30 minutes when it's time to go. So I'm going to select blue and red, and then I'm going to situate myself under the device, put my glasses on, and I'll push start. And that's it. That's the Dermalux Flex MD. It's so easy to use. I've been using it for about 5 months and I have noticed amazing things for my skin. I have noticed less hormonal acne, like 3 times less hormonal acne, and my skin just has an overall even tone. It's beautiful, it feels more firm, and it has also helped to resolve a scar that I had on my forehead from a bike accident a few years ago. So I am a huge believer in this device. I love having it. It's 30 minutes of just relax, chill. You can turn on your favorite music, turn on an audiobook, and you can just vibe out while your skin is getting all of these amazing benefits. You can have it at home and you don't have to do it at a salon anymore.